Here are some powerful Bible quotes for healing that can build your faith in Jesus. The Bible tells us that God is our hope, our rock, and our salvation. He is our healer. Look into Psalms 107 verse 20. He sent His word, and healed them, and delivered them from their destructions. Fear and anxiety are also common companions when we're facing difficult times. So, listen to these words, O Lord my God, I cried unto Thee, and Thou hast healed me. Psalms 30 verse 2. Practice reading these Bible verses daily. Isaiah 53 verse 5 says, But He was wounded for our transgressions, He was bruised for our iniquities, the chastisement of our peace was upon Him, and with His stripes we are healed. This is a powerful Bible verse for healing in Psalm 34:17, which says, The righteous cry, and the Lord heareth, and delivereth them out of all their troubles. This is another powerful verse for healing. Heal me, O Lord, and I shall be healed, save me, and I shall be saved, for Thou art my praise. Jeremiah 17 verse 14. Also in Jeremiah 30:17 are these words, For I will restore health unto thee, and I will heal thee of thy wounds, saith the Lord, because they called thee an outcast, saying, This is Zion, whom no man seeketh after. Use these Bible quotes for healing in your life, read them over and over. Start believing in Matthew 8 verse 13 right now. And Jesus said unto the centurion, Go thy way, and as thou hast believed, so be it done unto thee. And his servant was healed in the selfsame hour. Come look at this, Matthew 8 verse 16. When the even was come, they brought unto him many that were possessed with devils, and he cast out the spirits with his word, and healed all that were sick. I also love Matthew 12 verse 15 that says, But when Jesus knew it, he withdrew himself from thence, and great multitudes followed him, and he healed them all. Another amazing scripture is, Matthew 12 verse 22, Then was brought unto him one possessed with a devil, blind, and dumb, and he healed him, insomuch that the blind and dumb both spake and saw. Start today. Use powerful Bible quotes for healing in your life, it will make a difference.